Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very tastiest tart. And what we have to start to do is what we need is 3 cups of powdered sugar. The cup doesn't go in, so I have to do like this. We're going to put 3 cups powdered sugar. If you want, you can put less. That's 1. You don't have to press it. This is 3. We have to put 3 cups of powdered sugar. We need 1 egg yolk, which we have to separate the egg. There you go. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it just like this. And now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter. I let it get softer so it will be easy to pick up. That's 1. And we need another tablespoon. Here is it. It's a little bit, if it's okay, if it's a little too much, no worries. And while it's softer, we can just have to crumble it, just like this. And what we need is, we need 2 tablespoons of whipped cream. That's 1. That's 2. All right, we're gonna mix like this together very well. And you know that the sugar, it's gonna melt. You mix it for a few minutes. Now you have to put, if you want, you can use liquid vanilla or powdered sugar vanilla. So you put about 2 teaspoons, but this is because it's a powder, it can become bitter, so I have to put just a tip of the 1/4 teaspoon vanilla to smell good and the taste will be good. And now we're gonna add 2 cups of flour. You can sift if you want. You don't have to, but if you want, you can. Here we go. What is it? My little kitty cat, it's making noise. This is 2 cups of flour. Now I'm going to mix it. I have to take all the butter I need over here. We don't want to miss all the good stuff. And we're going to mix it like this together. And then after, we're going to put this in refrigerator at least an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. And the time will go very fast. By the time you do something different, it will be ready for you. So just, it needs to relax. Usually I put eye measurement, but I think that like this, so you will know how much to put. This tart is very, very delicious tart it is. So now, which is pretty good, but I think I'm gonna just add a little bit more cream, maybe another couple tablespoons. Like I said, usually I just do eye measurement, but I have to add a couple more just to get a little bit more doughy to hold together. There you go. And I think it will give this very delicious taste. This tart we're gonna make or with berries or with loquats. We're gonna make a pie tart. There you go. Now I can feel like I can hold them together, which is perfectly fine. Now I'm gonna put this in refrigerator, like I said, hour or 45 minutes, just to relax and to get firmer. All right, now we took the dough out from the refrigerator. We kept it about an hour. Now we will put a little bit flour. Sometimes if you want, sometimes you can put the plastic over. You can put the plastic and put the dough on top, and then you can cover with another sheet and you can open it that way too, to make it easier if it's hard for you to roll it out. So now I have here a pie dish. Let's see, I'm just gonna sprinkle just very little flour. You can fix it with your hands. Just make it kind of round. Make sure it moves. This pie, it's going to be very, very tasty. Like I said, if you want, you can put the sugar a little bit less. And it's going to be in this dish, so when after it cooks, you can move it out. I'm just going to measure it so we can do a little bit more bigger, so the sides will cover it all. Then you can roll it like this. Don't worry about it if it breaks. You can always put them together again. There you go. You can take the roller and go over. So this way it breaks. And then you push it towards. Here is leftover. It's nothing gonna hurt you, so just put them together like this. There we go. Now, when you do the pie, in a pie dish, when you can put parchment paper, and then you can fill it rice, or you can fill it beans, and that's how you can put it. If no, you can just do it like this way, and you can take the fork. You can take the fork and you poke it like this. So when it cooks, it doesn't bubble up. It doesn't become like a balloon. So it just bake the way it is. So now we're gonna put this in oven, and we're gonna bake it, and we're gonna see how good it's gonna come. I'm gonna put this on 350, maybe about 15 to 25 minutes. It depends. It's gonna look kind of reddish, gold color. All right, I'm gonna put this in oven, and the rest I'm gonna put in another one, and then we'll be back. All right, now it's 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes it was. I wanna show you here. The pie is ready. Here, the way you see it, that I poked and it didn't blow up. So you can see the ring, it's red, like a gold color. We have to let it cool, of course, but because it's easy to come out, I just want to show you. This is the way it should look. Here's the way it looks. So this is the way it will be, the pie. And this is the way you'll make the cream, and you can put the cream in. So we have to leave this to cool off, and the other one, it's in the oven another few more minutes, and it will be done. And next I'm gonna make the cream. So I'm going to put the recipe for you so you will see it. Well, this is the way you do the pie. It will be very, very delicious, and it's nice. Try it, and it will be wonderful. And the taste is very, very good. Well, thank you for watching. This is the easiest pie dough you can make. It's very simple, easy, and it's very tasty. So next, I'm going to make the cream, and then we're going to put together. But it's going to be another video. All right, thank you for watching again. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.